Legal Analytics for the Intellectual Property Research course at Boston College Law School. Legal analytics is the application of data to the business and practice of law. Data is aggregated, organized, searched, and visualized to gain insights that can be used in litigation practice, business development, and case law research. Litigation analytics, using data usually taken from court dockets, can be used to evaluate a case, plan a litigation strategy, manage client expectations, and improve efficiency based on what has happened before. They allow you to compare judge behavior and courtroom trends over time, or compare law firm and attorney performance based on actual litigation results. For example, you can obtain information on a judge's rulings by motion outcomes, how often the judge gets reversed on appeal on a particular topic, or how long that judge takes to conclude a case or act on a motion. This can help manage client expectations as well as help set litigation strategy. Litigation analytics for federal courts are available on Bloomberg Law, on the homepage under Popular Links, or from the Litigation tab. Westlaw Litigation Analytics provides data-driven insights from federal and select state court dockets and cases. Select litigation analytics from the specialty areas under content types. Westlaw also has a case evaluator report builder that allows you to analyze jury verdicts, court documents, and expert information. Link to it from Tools. Lexis Litigation Analytics allows you to analyze the litigation track record of courts, judges, attorneys, and law firms. Find Lexis Litigation Analytics on the left column of the LexisNexis homepage. Lexis also has an add-on product called Lex Machina, a deluxe legal analytics tool that began with patent analytics. BC Law subscribes, but you need to sign up to gain access to this data. Trellis is a state trial court legal research and analytics platform with AI-based insights on judges, opposing counsel, motions, dockets, and legal issues. Access it through the BC Law databases to sign up for an account. Business Analytics provides insight in transactional practice and assists with negotiating and benchmarking deals, as well as in law firm business development. Westlaw's business analytics are available in What's Market on Practical Law. Practical Law is a Westlaw add-on product that we do have access to here at BC Law. Look in Bloomberg Law under the Transactional tab for Deal Analytics. A number of types of business analytics are available from IntelliGISE, a Lexis add-on. Access it through the 9-dot product picker. There are a number of considerations to keep in mind when you're using legal analytics tools. First, it's important to understand the limitations of the underlying data sets. What is the source of the data, the scope and dates of coverage, and how frequently is the database updated? For example, Bloomberg's litigation analytics tool only provides information from the federal courts. So if you're looking for information on a state court judge or an issue that's determined by state law, Bloomberg would not be a helpful tool. The quality of the results can be impacted on how the data sets are reviewed and compiled. Is the data generated and maintained involving human review or purely algorithm-based? If you're working with litigation databases, consider how split outcomes are handled and if the data is normalized. For example, if a company's name was misspelled on the docket, does the vendor correct that information in its database in order to ensure better accuracy? Analytics are only as reliable as the data which generates them.